Hi friends, do you find it difficult to convert your YouTube videos into audios? By using different apps and websites, here comes an answer to questions called freemake.com. That's freemake.com. This website helps us paste our YouTube video links and convert it into different formats such as MP3, MP4, etc. So, let's look at that website today.
Page 2 of 5, adjustable. Page 3 of 5, page 3 of 5,
First,
adjustable.
I'll go to YouTube, select a video, copy that link and then convert it.
Well, book my show, BP, YouTube. Double tap to open, action. YouTube, back, button, icon, smack that, official popular song, Venga Boys, boo, best Zumba song 2018 1, Venga Boy, popular song, Coldplay, him for the weekend, official video.
Coldplay, this is what I want to select.
More action, activate, more actions. Share, record, share, button.
Share.
Twitter, button, WhatsApp, copy link,
Copy
button.
link, I'll copy the
Copy,
link.
back,
The link
button.
has been copied now. I'll go
YouTube,
to Safari,
Safari,
where
double
the
tap to open,
website
actions
is
available.
already open for me.
Video link, paste link here, text field. Double tap to edit, use the rotor to access
As I
misspelled.
open, in the top half of the screen we have
Video link, paste
video
link here,
link,
text field.
paste here.
Double tap to edit, insertion point at end.
As I double tap, I'll get the text field. If we want, we can type in the link, but I copied it, so I'll use the rotor.
Misspelled words, edit.
Edit.
Day event, now, 49 million more,
I'll
select all.
swipe my single finger to the down.
Undo.
Undo. Paste. Here I'll double tap.
HTTPS, format options, button. Select file, add file, bin, button.
Just below the video link paste text field, we have
Format MP3 select arrow, button.
format MP3 select. So if we want MP4 or something else, we can double tap and change the form. But I just want MP3. So from there, I swipe my single finger to the right.
Convert now, button.
Convert now.
Converting to MP3, ellipsis.
Converting to MP3.
Format
So
MP3 select
it
arrow.
will take time based on our internet speed.
Converting to MP3, ellipsis. Converting to MP3. Freemake video converter converts video and movies between alert. Do you want to download
Do you want to download Coldplay?
Close, button.
I swipe my single finger to the right.
Do you want to close, button.
Close.
View, button.
View.
Download, button.
Download. So I'll double tap on download.
Web page loaded. Format options, button. Character mode. Format MP3 select arrow. Bin.
As I selected download, the file would be downloaded to my Files app in the phone. So let's look at that now. I'll go to Files.
Files. Double tap to open. Done, button. Coldplay hyphen him for the weekend left parent official video right parent 2. Cassie.
So this is
Charlie.
the song Coldplay. I'll double tap.
Assistive touch. File. Play,
Let's
button.
play and see.
Play. Share, play, button. Pause, button. Pause.
So the audio has been converted successfully. So friends, this is all
Play,
about
button.
freemake.com. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.